should tackle. That's a violation. That's a violation. That's a violation.
Don't touch. Don't touch. Hey, don't touch. Hey. Motion Mac, but y'all trip. On God. Motion with the ocean in that hoe. On God, y'all not on that.
Oh, should I take though?
Shit. At the field. What up, Lenny-Ma?
Marry y'all.
At the field. I'm finna give y'all a little vlog.
Little ball.
A day in the life.
You getting locked up today? Hey.
Damn, this nigga already leaking.
Hey, it's about that time with the handle business, boy. About that time to handle business. You already know what's going on. These niggas can't guard me. Best receiver over there. Let's go. Yeah.
Best receiver over there?
Yes.
Good thing I'm still over here though.
Hey.
Good thing I'm still over here though.
Go to sevens, the twos, whatever.
We gotta go twos. That 7 shit don't be good content. Last time we was out here, that shit was ass content. Especially like if you're not getting the ball, then you just really, you feel me, recording bullshit.
Who that white boy?
Who?
Right there.
Playing wild.
Yeah, that YOG, ain't he?
Yeah.
That Johnson.
Oh, that's the nigga that's supposed to be hard, ain't it?
Yeah, that's yeah, that's what they say.
I strapped his ass up.
You did?
I ain't gonna talk about it.
Yeah.
I'm saying that's just what I heard.
What
I
about
heard.
me, man? Why you not locking me up though, man? You just different like that, man.
I heard that's a cold ass white boy.
Oh God, you can't lock me up. You got a 10. I'm going over 50%. And put on God.
These niggas trying to get out here to argue.
You crazy as fuck. Little ball. What up, son? See me up to nephew. Oh, trash. You can't guard me. None of these niggas out here can guard me. Watch, I can go up and down the line and whoop these niggas last. Watch.
What up, son?
Come on, TV.
I fought with them slides. Where you get them hoes from?
I got all them hoes online.
How much that was?
Like 60.
Shit, that ain't even bad for real.
I think 60.
I'm gonna get back to y'all when I go over there. I'm finna put my cleats on and stretch and shit like that. Shit, we just ran the first game. Nigga had about a touchdown. Really should have been 2. A pick, some pass breakups.
Hey, y'all ready?
You feel me?
Touchdown, pick, catch.
Yeah, his team won.
Dub.
Yeah. I cut up. Them niggas not fucking with me. That's all that matter.
Are you off?
Nah.
It just came out.
Hey,
That's like the little Super Saiyan type shit. That's that like the little Super Saiyan type shit.
Yeah. Yeah. I look buff, don't it? Yeah.
I can't even see you for real right now.
You look littler than me. You playing? Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Hey, call that hoe, bro. Hey, come on. Call that hoe. You can't even have a junior. DK, I'm trying to have a third. Hey, work the middle, Lamarin in the middle. Work the middle. Y'all see you in the middle. I'm not you, nigga. Y'all see you in the middle. I'm on BP. Y'all ain't been in the middle all game. People crazy as fuck. What's crazy? He said we ain't been in the middle all game. Hell no. Ready? Go. 1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. Hey. 4 Mississippi. Hey, when y'all see them right there, run up. It's not that hard. Hey, I'm gonna do it your pants and laugh. Hey, come on. That's progress. He looked over here on my line. Your old teammates were laughing at you. You ain't started laughing. You ain't. Let them eyes over here. Go. 1 Mississippi. Over here. 3 Mississippi. 4 Mississippi. Hey! I'm loading it, man. Nigga, yo. Let's go. Let's go. Yo. Hey, Justin.
Crazy fool.
Justin, come on. Let's go talk to the camera.
Oh, yeah. Oh, go talk
talk to the camera.
Oh, man. Hey, y'all seen that shit. Y'all already know what the fuck going on. Oh, my mama, yeah. Hey. Yeah. In the middle of the field. Oh, yeah, no. Hold on, let me show you real quick. It's the first drive. I got you, Ninja. Let me score for the boy. I'll let you play. DK. Hell no, I need a win. Man, I ain't seen you 30. But you bullshit. Y'all ready?
Hey, DK, you trying to record this bit for me?
Yeah, I got you.
You might as well.
Oh, no, I'm on that,
You
John.
trying to play?
Down.
Shit, whoever not on, just
Say go.
1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi.
Come here. Hey, Justin, come here.
1 Mississippi.
How you know this bit on? Oh.
Catch the ball and run, nigga.
Hey, we hold on, we back with another one vlog. We out here, we at the field. Peace. You feel me? We doing this. Check in. There go.
Watch this nasty ass rock fat do it to his ass. Just cause the camera's on.
Yeah. QB action.
I know you hot as fuck.
Ready. Down, say go.
1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. 3 Mississippi. There you go. Damn.
Bro. Damn, DJ. That one hurt. Hey, DJ. What that? Right through your hand.
That one slid down my arm.
There it is. Alright. To that boy say you get a peek onto the camera. Yeah. I'm on all the four, all the hoes. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. Let me get out y'all way, I'm up. But y'all is like right here though. I'm up.
What's he not? Oh, so it's 4 down? That's hurt. Ready. Down, say go.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. Come on, QB, what we doing?
That's my fault. I know.
What we doing, QB? Check in.
These niggas are getting aggressive.
Ooh, not aggressive.
Justin, you see it, bro. What are you? Do something. Hey, go get that close up. This way again, Justin.
Close up.
Look this way again, Justin. Look this way again, Justin. Hey, this shit clunked on my life.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Third down.
Hey, I'm gonna lead next.
Hey, this old bro, I gotta get a percentage.
Justin, I'm gonna lead next time.
I'm for real.
Watch it.
Ready. Down, say go.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi.
Come back.
Bro.
Fourth down.
Damn, nigga. None, bro. Come on. Just give me the ball. Come on.
Hey, the legs move too if you want to hold that bitch.
Hey, come on. We gotta score.
You don't know nothing about that hot take.
You right.
Hey, start it off right.
Meatball.
Fours, y'all, fours.
We can't 4 down.
Jiggy James.
Go.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. Oh no! That's 4.
Let's go.
And it's on camera.
Now, let's go.
And it's on camera. That's 4.
Hey, good catch, nigga. Let's go.
Wait. Hey, cameraman got to check in for a drive. You feel me?
My nigga ran from the motor.
Nick told me I was counting too fast last time.
He counted right. We having money, huh?
It's a dangerous day for them niggas.
Hell yeah.
Let me throw it to him.
Everything that came to me, I caught it. Niggas can't fuck with me. Y'all make this nigga like he's a 5-star quarterback. Hey, I'm getting everything my way.
Who good?
Didn't know that.
Didn't know that.
I be throwing good. I be trying to throw them away from the center, man.
Get your teammate, bro.
DJ over there. Who at corner?
Andreas.
No.
Yeah.
Go.
I'm cameraman right now.
Come in.
Go help.
Oh shit!
He got it.
Right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, right here where the ball landed. Where the ball landed, right here.
He said he got it right here. He said he got it right here. No. Because if he would have broke off and went for 60, that shit never would have counted.
On me, he caught me right now.
Well, as fuck.
If you know, go back then. Because if you know, if he would have broke off,
Hey, Matthew.
nigga, he kept playing that shit.
That bitch just turned off.
Broke off for
Nah,
60,
you just gotta tap the
that
screen.
would've never counted what the fuck I
Okay.
said. Be real. Now step back. No, you step back. No, step back. Come on.
Hell yeah.
Step back. Hey,
Go. Hey, to go.
Ball.
Nemo.
Damn. DK.
No. You can't survey. You can't look
Nemo, I saw.
to the other side of the
Nemo. I saw it.
Like I'm gonna catch that hole.
You gonna catch that hole, Josh?
Y'all just got the first down.
Come on, Josh.
We was back there, nigga. What is you talking about?
Nigga, the
In his
first
life.
down is where your feet at.
It's third. We just got right here. What are you talking about? I mean, just first.
That's what I said, nigga.
All right. Go.
Right there. Boom.
Okay, DK. That nigga ball.
Yes. It's for the camera.
Why that nigga about to touch my ass? Damn, DK.
Go.
Oh.
Oosh.
What that is?
You straight, James?
No one cares.
Bro, I'm live, bro.
Yes, you do. Y'all hear the camera?
That boy Marion funny.
Go.
Like that shit, nigga, that's a pig. I just told you, you heard me tell this nigga, oh my God.
I'm on show that one.
That would have been a big for the cribbo.
You ain't at the middle of the field no more for a reason.
I know, right?
Wait till I get back on the field. Hell yeah.
They scored DK.
Oh shit.
Come on, get in that game.
You feel me? I had an incredible defensive drive. Them boys still scored though. It wasn't my fault. I am the real QB. Yeah. The camera been tweaking on me, gang. I'm out of here. The camera been tweaking on me, gang.
Hey, my team, we ready?
Camera be tweaking on me, gang.
Step, get the step.
Let's go, gang.
You ready?
Step. You're not getting off the Come on, bro.
Now, say go.
1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. 3 Mississippi. I can do that too. I can do that.
Down, say go.
1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. 3 Mississippi.
Josh, why is you chasing something that Nemo already on?
Oh my God, he's slow.
Josh! Hell no, hell no,
That's right. You see? Hey.
What the fuck? Come on,
Come on. Let's do it. Take our shit. Hey. Oh.
We weren't even ready. No, we right here. Ready? Down, say go.
1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. 3 Mississippi. 4 Mississippi. 5.
Just hold it.
That's third.
We stay.
Come on.
No,
they're right
here. I'm not on the 5-yard line.
Yes, you is.
Ain't no way I was on the 5-yard line.
I thought you was on the 3.
We right here.
That's what I said. I was on the 5-yard
I
line.
thought you was on the 3.
We up here.
That's what I assumed. Look, I threw it. No, we weren't.
Nigga, I caught it right there. It was right here.
Y'all ready? Yeah. Down, say go.
1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi.
Get on it. Get on that shit, man. I'm going to pull your ass, man. Come on.
I've been flying around the field. I've been flying around the field making tackles. Come on, man. Come on, man. You don't know what you're doing, gang. Look at his fade. Hey, the golden cell. Talk to him.
4th down, man. You know we're killing these niggas out here, man. Hey, this our game to win, bro. These niggas are fucked us letting us in the game, bro.
What you talking about? What you talking about? I don't know, man.
He just died in the first game, bro. He lying.
Oh, he said they lied, twin. Lied, twin. Hey, Justin, that's fucked up. That's fucked up. 1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. That's a fucking tutty.
Calm down, my fault.
Get jiggy. Get jiggy, James. Get jiggy.
Yeah. Punt that bitch. Get out of there, gang.
That's what y'all did, dog. No, that's what y'all did, dog.
There you go, gang. And I'm back. Oh shit, I'm back in on D, bro. You feel me? Oh. All right, you feel me? Back in
back on the camera, bit.
Y'all about to walk right there.
Man, I'm scoring these niggas again, cuz. Hey, these niggas be getting so crazy, so disrespectful like this bitch. Nigga, look at the ball, niggas.
Hey, that be all the way over there.
That was James. That was James. That was your team.
I think that's Andreas. That's what I'm looking at. And he's seeing it from a whole different view.
Emo,
It's like we all
should I start a YouTube channel? Should I start a YouTube channel?
Hell yeah. Why would you even stay down here? Like, nigga, we gotta guard 2 niggas until somebody guards. Man, we ain't win all that talking shit, man. Let's win. Fuck this shit.
We in their head. They mad. Look at how they
What y'all send out? Let go.
Let go.
What would they talk
Hell yeah, man, they KJ locked in. If you look at me, I'm open every play. So I'm alright, bro. I'm alright. I'm open every play. If you look for me, that's a tutty.
Man, what?
Man, and even when it comes to hooping, I'm still running that shit too.
But hell no.
Go with, hey, DK, push it around.
Every time we here,
Push it up on y'all niggas. Come here, push it up and score.
Ball.
Ooh, BP, I see you, boy. I see you. BP wide open, bit.
I know you want that middle, Nick. I know you want it. Hey, Nick. I'm laying down. Bark. Start bark. Bark, nigga. Yeah.
You've been throwing all game. Be straight, bitch.
Let's play, bit. Y'all know how to zoom in, bit.
Go.
Oh, BP.
Hey, DJ ball.
Oh, Nemo.
This nigga done sold it. That nigga want to highlight.
Yeah. I thought you cut that hole.
Like, what the fuck? This nigga really just small and that shit just smoked this kid.
One time. Yeah.
But the thing is,
He could have caught that shit though.
but the crazy thing is, he should have caught that bitch. Hey, he should have caught that bitch too. Nigga, I had to come on the whole field.
It's third.
2-0. I wish we had one. 2-0. Damn. Must be nice.
It's sad when the QB just say fuck it and throw that bitch.
Must be nice.
It's bad.
Hey, no. I really just beat
Is it third? Fuck no.
Yeah, it's third down.
Nigga said fuck. Nigga said fuck.
Go. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes.
Oh!
He touched him. He touched him.
That nigga Joshua take off.
He don't be saying shit. I'm telling you. I'm telling this nigga Justin, he do not.
You got that hoe though. I thought you was gonna drop that.
Hey, no, yo, get up.
First down, on the line in front of
Go.
you.
1 minute, 2 minutes.
Oh, good shit, let's go. Get on the ball, come on. Hey,
back up. Hey.
I know I was coming up.
Hey, 2-1.
Nigga, you have safeties
You ain't
over the
scored.
top. Go up, nigga.
Who
You have
scored?
nothing to play with up.
Hey, who scored for y'all? Who scored?
Bro, I'm not finna talk to him. Come on.
Go. 1 minute, 2 minutes.
Oh yeah.
I broke on the show. That's my fault. Hey, second down.
He be in my head right now. I was about to do the same mistake.
Round off merchant. He's coming down.
Go.
Hey,
Go.
Third.
I'm playing 5 yards.
No, that wasn't 5.
Yes, it was. Yes, it was. That was 5. That's 5.
Come on, 9. Go. 1 minute. Right.
Hey, Nick. Hey.
Good catch, boy.
Come on, interference, bro.
You got offense, bitch. Hey, yeah.
Look, it's landing. Why is it going
Down, these
niggas.
niggas.
It's right where we want the ball.
It's right where we want it, man.
Yeah.
Hey, we might as well start right there. We might as well start right there and drive it down on these fuck niggas. They want to throw it down. And they gonna be lying this game. Hey, double O, yeah.
One hand. Everybody give a fuck about that one hand lob pass. That's like catching a tennis ball saying I caught it with one hand. What the fuck, man?
I need you to talk about you once.
Running slow wheel.
Hey, look at that defense. They defense for team.
Let's get it big. Come on.
Y'all need some.
Hey, 2-2.
Y'all ready?
Wait, yeah.
Watch out. Down, say go.
Matt, watch my eyes. Just.
Andre.
Oh, shit. You should have caught that
Putting
one.
them holes there. I am putting them holes there, am I not?
Can't say it ain't a drop. Can't say it ain't.
That hole hit. That hole was beautiful.
No,
Yeah.
he was a Pat Mahomes shit. I can't even count. That shit was nice.
That nigga had.
And that nigga pump fake like that.
Right there. Down, say go.
Hey, come on. Justin.
Oh, shit.
Oh!
He won the ball game, son.
He didn't have it 3 seconds. Hell no.
Hey, we straight. Let's go. Come on. Hey, we straight. Let's go. Third down.
Bro, this nigga can't fucking guard me out here. Hey,
Ready.
get out this bitch.
Down, say go.
Alright. Come on. Justin! Hey, okay, I wasn't counting.
Hey, fourth right here. We gotta get 5
That
yards.
was 4 seconds. That was 4 seconds. They need 5. Let's get stop. Nemo, get in place. Come on. We need to stop. Come on.
Down, say go.
1 Mississippi. Hey, Justin!
Oh, yeah. Lemaire. Damn.
Let's go! Sorry, nigga. I thought Matt was still right there. I still should have caught that.
That means you heard them. Nah, I got it. You got it.
Sorry, nigga.
Oh, this the last one.
Oh.
No, it's not.
We going to 3.
We going to 4, nigga.
QB.
4. We said 4.
QB.
Nigga, we said 4. Oh God, we said 4. Nigga, y'all said 3. We said 4.
We said 3.
We said 4.
First, we said 4. This nigga Persian out here.
Hey, let's go. He said 4. It's 4. Let's go, Nick. Hey, you gotta earn it. Come on. Hey, let's go. Defense. Come on.
Come on, QB1. What you got? QB1, what you got? QB1, what you got? How you feeling? What you got?
Why did finna go shit?
Tight shit. 5-5.
Right here.
Tight shit.
What they talking about? Come on.
Back, go.
1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. 3 Mississippi.
Oh,
Hey, nigga, hey.
nigga, that shit was still in your hands.
Nigga, I'm up here with it.
Nigga, you still had that hole.
Hey, what Bicky's That's my first drop. What Bicky's
Nigga, I ain't saying I'm just saying.
But can you get it lower?
Yeah, I got you, but that was the catch though. That was the catch.
That was a drop. That was a drop. Tell him that was a drop, though.
That was a drop.
That was a drop.
What was it, JJ? That is my first drop. Nigga,
Let me get the drive at QB. Let me get the drive at
What you
QB.
talking about? So what? Yeah, shut up, nigga. Yeah.
Tell us that shut up.
That's my first drop.
Tight shit.
We gonna be ready. We gonna wait on defense.
Yes, you gonna do it when we got the ball. When we got the ball.
Come on.
The ball right there.
Offside, so you at the 45.
The ball right there.
You at the 45.
1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. 3 Mississippi. There you go.
Fuck wrong with that ass, me.
Third.
25. They got to
We
get
playing shit exactly how we playing.
Hey, Nemo.
Wait.
Watch Matthew, he's gonna do some shit.
Go. 1
Mississippi.
2 Mississippi.
Ball.
Hey, Nemo. Stop letting them go behind.
I'm telling you, Justin, you do not be seeing shit.
Yeah, I got you.
They can't guard both of us.
Go.
1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. 3 Mississippi.
Nigga, James got to hey, back up. Whoa. Nigga, tackle. That's a violation. Come on, man. That's a violation. That's a violation. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. All you gotta do is rub and tag. Hey. Don't. Hey, get them chains. Get them chains. Okay. Hey, we
Rumble!
My niggas winning. Get on QB.
I got the hate.
I see 2v1. What it is? I like where that looks. I couldn't jump in there. The fool. Oh yeah, y'all just
Hey, back up.
77 turns and the black niggas fighting.
Hey, third down, let's go.
707 turn the BBC brawl. Hey, we going to the crib with it.
No, it's third. We got the bird. Y'all bending. No, we just got it. It's second. We just got the first. Okay, bro. What time is it?
Second down.
Go. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. Hey,
No, that's not there. You count too fast too. That's not there. I got this.
Fuck. I can't even catch y'all.
Yeah. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. Oh! Hey! No, he didn't.
He dropped that shit.
Oh no, he dropped that.
Man, that's right. That was four.
No, this is form. This is form. This right here is form.
No, saying, come here. Everybody just play middle. Play up. Keep everything inside. How much you want to bet?
Hey, they ain't talking money though. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Yeah. Hey, who? Hey, who? Come on.
Bitch ass boy. You got first off.
Damn, go.
Hey, I was open to play the job.
Hey, that nigga got a little too jiggy out there.
Oh my, a little too G.
Hey, vlog.
Nigga, that was literally like.
Hey,
Twin, what you doing, Twin?
Hey, call me Waffle House, man. Call us Waffle House, nigga. We always open.
Yeah, they're cornball shit. Anyway, guys,
All your life?
we're back, and we're better.
Fuck that. You guys have to score ever for real? Nigga, y'all scored. Y'all already know what the fuck going on.
Yeah.
We came back on the fuck, nigga. You already know real 904 shit.
Tight shit.
But y'all niggas are so violating.
Cup.
All of y'all.
Should have been playing.
I'm not QB1?
Can we? Hey, ready? Hey, camera.
Right there. Y'all niggas so down. Stay go.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 meatballs. Oh shit. Why in the
That
hell?
nigga pushed off like a motherfucker too. You think he's slick?
Hey, it's getting pretty ugly.
Is the best time to take a shot.
Down, DJ.
Ooh. Hey, I melt when it rains.
Oh,
I
I need to move over. I thought that bitch was in.
I melt when it rains.
If that bitch was in there, I was coming down with it.
I melt when it rains. Tight shit.
Hey, y'all ready?
Y'all nigga act like y'all ain't played in the rain.
Oh, I'm too pretty for this. I'm too pretty. Hey, boy, fuck you.
Hey, down, stay go.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. There's 3 Mississippi.
Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3.
Let's go.
Sitting it on. Hey. Come here, guy. Get in the camera.
Hey, man. I'm not the safety. Hey, you say those.
Yeah, that shit stout. Keep it on. How you feel? You didn't let the backup get no shine, but it's straight on though.
Hey, man. Hey, we had to handle business. You see 0 picks today.
Yeah, prophet child, tell him. This is really like great quality. Great film quality. Great film quality.
You talking about why hot? Yeah, I ain't run that though. I ran the post.
I know I don't, but what I'm saying is whoever.
Great film quality.
I'm supposed to sit. Y'all finna win this hoe?
Come on, one more.
Go.
One Mississippi.
Two Mississippi.
Two Mississippi. Get up there.
Shut up.
I know, I wasn't talking about the score.
Slow as shit.
It's 3-0. Yeah, no, but it's not.
Yeah, that's crazy, KJ. It's like.
I'm talking to the manager, nigga. Oh my God. Back up.
Get in there again.
One Mississippi.
Two Mississippi. Three Mississippi.
Right there, Pete. Boy, don't try that shit, boy.
Nigga, that's right there to him. He gotta catch that. That was a drop.
No way ain't catching that shit.
Nigga, it hit right here. That hit my right
No
thumb.
way ain't catching that shit.
Nigga, that hit right here. That hit my right thumb. You know you could have caught that though. Be real.
How the fuck you couldn't?
Bro, shut your bitch ass up.
That shit was blocked up.
Tell him, man. You just here for the hoe. I'm just here so I won't get fined. Three Mississippi. Yeah. Hey, I got count, boy. Play your coverage. I got count. No.
And that nigga hit a right, and then he took a
One Mississippi. Two Mississippi. Three Mississippi.
There you go. Good shit.
Tell him get big. Tell him you big, but I'm bigger. Tell him you big, but I'm bigger. Brr.
Go. One Mississippi. Two Mississippi. Three Mississippi. Four Mississippi.
There you go. Great fake. That's a good fake.
What are y'all doing? Hey, third. Come on.
That nigga said, yeah.
Come on, right here. That nigga, he be stuck in quicksand.
Who went that way? Who? No peek. We at the line.
One Mississippi. Two Mississippi. Damn.
Let's go! Hey, let's go! Let's end the game on them! Let's end the game!
I need the game.
Hey. I'm back on old big old shit. Yeah. Let's go. My team, let's go take the hell. Let's take this game home. I need a pass. I got you. Hey, short passes. Oh, yeah, I'm already knowing.
He's gonna make them niggas mad as fuck tonight.
Yeah. And then just wait till we get on that game tonight. Oh, boy.
Oh boy, it's gonna get so wicked tonight.
Hey, look out. Hey, bring it in heavy.
Hey, y'all, we gonna go ahead and win this game right here. This last drive, y'all. Watch this.
You don't care about the defense, right?
Oh shit.
Hey, we missing this shit. No, we not. We straight.
We straight.
Down to go.
DK. Can that be DJ?
Use that track speed, nigga.
Let's go.
Communicate.
We right here. Ready.
Oh, DK. Shut down. Damn. Hurry up.
That's I got two.
You straight.
Hey, you see what I'm saying?
I see.
Yeah. Man, I'm picking these niggas.
You could have hit DK. I see DK. Yeah. I seen your eye, DK. I see you, bitch.
That shit, there's a button that's wide open. That route towards the head.
Go get DJ, man. Who got safety?
Oh, y'all should never did that.
Wait, they over there manning up.
Yeah, look like.
Oh, they manning up.
Hey, come get James. Who, me?
Yo, let them niggas work over there. Oh, yeah.
Let's go. I got him. Down, say go.
DK?
You got two over here.
Turn down. Oh, shit.
Hey, MVP of the game, you already know.
How we trying to play 2 man?
So shit, close out the day.
Who tried to play hard?
2 dubs.
Somebody gotta come down.
I don't know why these niggas tried, but they lost. Look at them.
Hey, so peep this shit.
Just walking.
Yeah, hey, get this nigga. Hey, flip that hoe on this nigga. Flip it on this nigga. This nigga lost SO ass. Get this nigga over here.
This nigga so ass. Hold on. Get this nigga right here. This nigga so ass. Hey, hold on. This nigga. Get his ass. This nigga so ass. Hey, we not done yet. Come on. Hey, we still got more. He ass. Get his ass. Sloppy fuck. On my mama. One more nigga. This nigga ass. We out on his ass too. But wait on the street, nigga. If you don't understand what I'm saying, we got on their ass today.
Yeah, we did. I ain't gonna lie.
They went 0-2.
I normally don't care if people are out here, but we're on lightning delay right now, and I can't.
All right, we got you.
Gotcha.
Thank you for caring about our safety.
Good game, y'all. We went 2-0 on the day.
That shit was a pie game.
First one was 5 and 3, I think. Second one 4 and 3. You know what I'm saying?
Plus 5 speed and agility.
So, yeah.
Let me see that though. They know who really hooping though. Me. I'm the best
We
hoop
at
out
the field
there.
right now. We're not talking about
We're
hooping.
not even at the court. We're not at the court.
They can't fuck
We're
me
not at
on
the
the
court.
court.
We're not at the
They
court.
can't fuck me on the court though. They got this football shit.
We got cleats.
I have a positive
You got
record
cleats.
at Hoover Hall.
You don't.
We got cleats on.
On God, on everything I fucking love.
No, you don't, DJ.
I'm the
It's
Hoover Hall
ridiculous.
king, nigga.
Hell no.
I had 2 touchdowns.
That's where you
4
fucked up for real.
catches. One pick.
Definitely me and VP.
How was today,
you're
Lemire?
not. Stop it. You're
I
not.
went with any and everybody, nigga.
Something wrong with this nigga camera. I don't look good enough.
Alright then, so come on, we have.
Oh, shit.
Y'all niggas,
It was a good day, y'all.
Every time y'all be there, what you mean? Every time. Back to back
Great
to back
day.
to back
Great
to
day.
back.
Let me hit that.
That is true.
I took 2 L's today. But that's okay, you know why?
Barry, but they'll be listening. I just be
scored.
talking.
Hey man, shout out to MVP.
Lamarian.
Shout out to MVP, the motherfucking cameraman. They ain't want me on the field today, so I had to do what I do best.
Amar, you graduated. Y'all got no hoes.
You did.
Appreciate that, fool. Appreciate that, Mark.
Yeah.
Hey, I appreciate me for giving them a show to watch. Yeah.
How much that shit was?
The GoPro?
Yeah.
Like 300-400.
Hey, that house still going?
Hey, so look, peep this. The vlog is, you feel me? This is just the start. Wait till July 20th through the 24th. It's a movie. No, on God. On God.
Welcome back, guys. We're back on another vlog. Hey, today we just whooped these niggas' ass, bro. These niggas actually sorry on bro, cuz. Like,
Pay one of y'all niggas to be my cameraman.
oh God, I will. I go everywhere with your ass like these. They do it like these.
When?
When?
If I come to Rolling Loud, I'll buy that ticket right now.
That's what I'm saying, bro. We'll really buy that ticket. Wanna know why? Cause we having money on and having fun, young nigga.
I'm
Fuck
having
you
for
talking
real,
about. And
nigga.
yeah,
I'll buy
what?
that
You ain't
ticket
getting
right
none. Wipe out.
Alright.
Yeah, that move.
This nigga said wipe out.
That nigga said Bunyan.
Y'all not having none.
Hey, Matthew, hey, when you get home, the first thing you do is send me that pic.
And Justin, I'm gonna be real with you.
You not getting shit.
Yeah, niggas might not want to watch this hoe for real. Watch y'all ugly ass niggas play football.
Upload that whole nigga, and I still want the pic though.
Alright, fool.
Yeah, that pic was smooth, wasn't it?
Who you picked up?
Nick. Y'all on the quarterback?
Was it on me?
Huh? Shit, I don't know. I went up with one hand. I almost snagged that bit with one hand.
It wasn't me.
I'm finna go wash my ass. Who the f was that? Who was that?
Y'all trying to go train some hoes?
Shit.
Crazy. That's a crazy sweater.
Boy, go take a shower.
The thing is, he's not lying.
I know he's not.
But these hoes gonna fuck you with your dick smell like that?
Nah. You gotta go home watch the ball.
That's what I'm saying. That's a bad reputation.
Hey, you better chill out. I'll be over there.
I don't get no fuck
Nigga,
by
I'm
your
gonna be over
homeboys,
there
man.
later. I'm gonna be over there later in the room
I'll
right
drop
next
you
to
and
you
your homeboys,
with
man.
Naya.
Damn.
I don't get no fuck about none of your homeboys over here, boy. Run me that chain, nigga.
Ooh.
Damn.
Well, he said go too, nigga.
Nah, it's crazy because y'all niggas be cracking each other so dirty.
Hey, let go.
That nigga said, how many touchdowns you score? That nigga said 5.
What you did for nothing today? Why you ain't catch the ball? Why you ain't catch the ball?
That nigga Nemo talking about some Matt. They talking about some y'all know y'all played in the rain. That nigga Nemo talking about some Matthew ain't even played in the heat.
I did hear that shit too.
Y'all niggas be cracking the fuck at each other. Know about that.
That's love, bitch.
I'm just don't
But
take that
hey,
shit to
nigga
heart.
try to crack one of us, we on that ass.
Oh, that's my football. I done had that hoe for like 8 years.
I see it.
These niggas
Hey,
talking
hey,
crazy. Fuck each other.
Hey,
This shit feel too good
Hey.
outside right now.
hey, I need to go clock out
Hey,
for work.
nigga, down.
What at?
I
need to go clock out for work.
What that is?
You need to go clock out.
Yeah.
You still on the clock?
Yes.
Where you work at?
That shitty ass ball.
They gonna get your ass.
Nigga, I ain't been to work in a month.
Show about the. You going to Jackson?
Remember that time I came to your house? I was doing it then.
Damn.
Ball security.
You damn right.